The moment something don't feel good about your house, you better change it. Because that's where you live. You ain't gonna do nothing but see it every day, being the same old way.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
From time to time, guys, I'm telling you, I get bored. I get bored with how my house, look. And I used to spend a lot of money on just going to buy new stuff, putting it in here, just to turn around and get bored again. So I have learned how to keep my favorite things that I have and learn how to switch them around. So I'm gonna give you an idea of some of the stuff that y'all can do today. Now guys, these are fennels. You see this? I'm gonna try to zoom in. These are decorative fennels that goes on the end of your, curtain rod. So I have been busting with a lot of ideas on, how to fix up my dressing room with what I got. And I love doing that. I ain't gonna lie. I love doing it. So guys, this is what the fennel looked like, right? So when I was in here, guys, I seen that my vanity set had 2 holes here, right? So I said, I wonder would this work in here? Guys, look at that. That works perfect, guys. Look at that. That works perfect on that vanity set. It looks so pretty sitting in there like that, right? So really, to tell you the truth, I can take those off of that curtain rod, like I just showed you, and put it onto my vanity set. Or I can also do this. This is one of those little mothballs from the Dollar Tree. And this is one of their little skewers. I can sit this skewer in here, cover it with cut glass from Michael's, because you can buy some cut glass or get some nice glitter, which I am going to do. I have bought all the stuff already. And also, guys, look at this. To make everything match up, I can just put it down in here and cover it with glitter. So guys, I'm telling you, I have gotten in trouble like that before in this house, just going to buy stuff and the stuff just keep on accumulating, and now you got to find places for this stuff to go. But I already told you guys, I like emptiness, so I'm just looking around my house for things that I have here that I can switch out and substitute, and this idea works perfectly. It works perfectly. Okay, so I have decided to just fix up my vanity set with the table that I have already. I like that table, and it's glass, and it's more that I can do to it. I'll show you. So guys, y'all know that I went around my whole wall with this wallpaper, right, from Walmart. I went around my whole bottom part of my room with this wallpaper. I love it. It is absolutely beautiful. So, I only had a little left. Right? I'm going to go get some more because there's other things I want to do with this wallpaper. So, what I am doing with this wallpaper right now, I'm going to show you. But, guys, I have taken this wallpaper, and as you see with this vanity station, I have started wrapping the vanity station. So I just take the wallpaper. I'm just going to give you an example here. I still have to go get some more. And you just put it on there. You smooth it out. I'm just giving you an example. You see that? And I can do the whole vanity like that, but I'm not going to do the whole vanity. I'm just going to do around the 2 bars, and then the legs will be something different. And then we'll have the crystal sticking out here, and as you see, I have wrapped it already with some bling wrap. So I'm going to fix this up in a tasteful way. Okay guys, because we want everything to be nice and soft in our room, don't forget, you see that curtain rod up there? We can still take this paper and cover our curtain rod if we want to match the room. But the curtain rod is silver, the chandelier is silver, we got silver embellishments, you know, on this table here. And so we don't have to go too matchy-matchy with anything. So this is what the room is looking like now. The moment something don't feel good about your house, you better change it. Because that's where you live. You ain't gonna do nothing but see it every day, being the same old way. So I changed my stuff. And I'm gonna tell you this. I actually like these fennels being on this vanity station better than I did on the curtain rod. So I moved them both right here, guys. And they look absolutely gorgeous right there, which is inspiring me to keep going. All right, guys, we are in my bathroom, and these are my towels that I have displayed here. So I got my little napkin ring holder because it matches all the little silver embellishments and, you know, the faucets that I have in my, you know, in my bathroom. So see if I can do this. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna roll it as tight as you can. I think this is the way that I roll it. And you're just gonna squeeze that towel in there. You're gonna squeeze it and you're gonna roll it in there, guys. And that is so pretty to display with the rest of, you know, your towels. All of them don't have to be wrapped, but if you want them, you know, if you want to dress up your towels, then, you know, just add that. And for the life of me, Dollar Tree don't even sell that anymore. But I am going to show y'all another little trick that y'all can do in your house. I think I done showed y'all this 1,000 times, but one more time won't hurt you. So guys, if you have a problem with your curtains staying the way you want them to stay, all nice and pleated looking, then use this. Go get you a pool noodle. Go get you a pool noodle. Slice the whole pool noodle, you know, so where you can be able to open it like that, and then put it around your rod, and that will keep, and make sure all of them is the same size, guys. And then, you know, put it in your curtain. Okay, it was right here. And it seemed like, even though these are sheer curtains, the pool noodle just disappears. It just disappears. Guys, I have so many ideas busting at the seams of how you can decorate your house with probably the things that you already have, guys. I'm telling you, I don't be spending that money out in the street like I was spending. But we'll get all off into that. I really do enjoy doing stuff like this around the house, especially when it turns out right. But today, y'all gonna have to look out for, you know, the next video, because really I'm getting my house together because I am about to do an ultimate spa day, guys. I'm pulling out all my machines. I'm doing my face. I am doing my nails. I'm doing my skin, my whole body. It's just gonna be a wonderful spa day. So the first thing I want to do is just change everything in my house, you know, because I like making my house into like a staycation. You know what I'm saying? I love it to be a staycation, and I am there. I just want it to look different. All right, guys, the other thing that I will be doing is painting this. I want to just dab paint on this thing. I want to have it white, green, pink, and just lime. Just the same colors. The same colors that's in that, you know, wallpaper that I got from Walmart. And I just wanted to match with the room a little bit more, okay? So I will be just dabbing little colors of that around here just to make it, you know, look really nice. So I have a lot of things I have to do. All right, guys, well, that is it. I am going to get back to rearranging my whole house and then get ready for a nice, relaxing spa day. So you have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell, guys, down below so you will not miss the next video. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Know that I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in the next video.
Then get up, get dressed before work's off my list.